Welcome to Nail Gun Depot's Nail Gun Network, your number one source for power tool fastening news, how-to tutorials, and demonstrations. Today we're going to go through some safety tips on how to handle a nail gun.
For today's nailer safety demonstration, we're going to use a Senko Frame Pro 325 XP. We also have with it the proper fasteners for the tool,
Safety glasses in either clear or tinted, and then hearing protection.
The first thing I like to tell people when you've got a nailer, any type of tool, is you want to first read your owner's manual. It has plenty of tips on the proper operation of the tool, proper fasteners, and how to maintain your tool. In today's demonstration, we're going to show how we load the tools, but the first thing we need to do is put in our eye protection.
And hearing protection.
All right. We load the tool with the proper fastener. And we charge it to air. You'll notice the biggest thing I can tell you is to keep your finger off the trigger. When you're not using the tool, you're not firing it, keep your finger off the trigger. That way you don't have any accidental discharges. Speaking of the trigger, there's two different types on all manufacturers. They either have what they call the sequential or restrictive trigger, where you have to depress the safety, then pull the trigger to operate the tool. There's also what's called a bump fire trigger fire, where you can actually hold the trigger in and just bump it across the work surface. That's really only for the high speed and high volume applications. I really recommend you use the sequential trigger. A couple other things is to keep your safety in your magazine free from debris. You always want to have it nice and clear and operating properly. You never want to wire your safety up. Also, when framing walls and using the nailer, you want to keep your hands at a safe distance, especially when you're building a wall. You have your bottom plate and your stud come in here. You want to shoot your bottom nail first, get your hand out of the way, then shoot the top nail. With that, thank you very much.
Want more? Visit nailgundepot.com for product knowledge on tools, fasteners, and accessories. Compare products from Pazload, Bostage, Senko, Hitachi, and other major brands, all at a click of a button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you again for watching the Nail Gun Network.